Hello everyone, I am Sukirti. I am an educator guiding, helping and motivating students from last so many years. Welcome to my channel Learn, Practice, Achieve. Today we will continue with exercise 1.2 and here we will discuss questions and also I will give you some special tricks related to SCF which will be helpful for you to solve your MCQ related problems. So मेरे चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब करना और जो वीडियो है वीडियो को टिल एंड तक आपको देखना है ताकि जो भी ट्रिक्स मैं बताऊंगी आप उसको समझ के उसको अपनी फर्दर स्टडीज में अप्लाई कर सकते। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ एक्सरसाइज 1.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. So question number 2 is find LCM and SCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM and SCF is equal to product of the two numbers. So here three parts are given. First part 26 and 91, second 510 and 992, and third part 336 and 54. Because all these three parts are same type of question, so we will only solve one part, that is the second part, and rest of the part you will try yourself. If you will face any problem, then communicate me. Then if you will take 510 and 92, so first of all to find out the SCF and LCM we will do the prime factorization method. So if you will take 2, 2 2s are 4, 11, 2 5s are 10 and 2 5s are 10, then it will go by 3, 3 8s are 24 and 3 5s are 15, then 5, 17 and then 17 is 1. So the prime factorization of this number is equal to 510 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. In the same way, when we will find out prime factorization of 92, 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12, then 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, then 23, then 1. So prime factorization of 92 is equal to 2 into 2 into 23. So when we will find out the SCF and LCM of this number, SCF is equal to the common factor we will take. So the only common factor here in these two number is equal to 2. And when we will find LCM, LCM is equal to the highest common factor, that this also it is written in the form of 2 to the power 2 into 23. Okay, so the highest power is 2 to the power 2 and the remaining number with the rest power, that is 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. And that is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. So here SCF is equal to 2 and LCM is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. Okay, now we have to find out LCM into SCF is equal to product of the two numbers. So LCM and SCF we got. So the value of LCM is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. Value of SCF is equal to 2. So this is LCM and this is SCF. And when we multiply these two, we will get 4, 6, 9, 2, 0. Okay. Now we will find out the product of the number. So product of the number are 510 into 92. So this is suppose A and this is B. If you will take product of the number as A and B, so this is equal to again 4, 6, 9, 2, 0. It means these are proved. Now we will start question number 3 of exercise 1.2. So here in the question, find the LCM and SCF of the following integers by applying prime factorization method. So again here three parts are given. We will start with part number 1. So first find out the prime factorization of 12, 15 and 21. So when we will find out the prime factorization of 12, that is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Then prime factorization of 15 is equal to 3 into 5. and prime factorization of 21 is equal to 3 into 7. Okay, now we have to find out the SCF and LCM of this number. So when we will find out the SCF is the common number between all these three. So common number here is 3, 3 and 3. So here SCF is equal to 3. Okay, when we will find out the LCM of the given number, LCM is equal to the number which has the highest power along with the other numbers left. So here we will take 2 to the power 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60, 60 into 7, 420. So LCM is 420 here. Okay, so we can easily find out the factors and SCF and LCM. Now when we will go to question number 2, part number 2, here you have to find out the SCF and LCM of these numbers. Okay, so when you will find out SCF, before finding out, just check the numbers. 17, this number is a prime number. Again 23 is a prime number and 29 is also a prime number. So if all the numbers are prime number, it means there is only two factors of prime numbers, 1 and the number itself. Okay, so because all these three are prime numbers, so directly you can write SCF here is equal to 1. And for LCM, you don't have to factorize anything and you can directly multiply 17 into 23 into 29 and you will get the answer. Though in this question you have to find out the prime factorization, and that too you will get only two factors of each number. Okay, but you don't have to take this common and find out the SCF and LCM, but you can directly find out by multiplying these numbers. Again in question number 3, 8 is a composite number, 9 is a composite number, 25 is also a composite number. Okay, but when we will find out the prime factorization of 8, then you will get 8 is equal to 2 to the power 3, then 9 is equal to 3 to the power 2, and 25 is equal to 5 to the power 2. It means again here no common factor between them. So SCF here is equal to 1, and again LCM is equal to multiplication of all these numbers because there is no other common factor between them. So 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2 and find out the answer. Okay, now I will tell you some special tricks to find out the SCF of three numbers. And here we will start with trick number 2 because trick number 1 I have already given you in exercise 1.1 to find out the SCF of two numbers. Okay, so here in trick number 2, it is the easiest way to find out the solution or find out the SCF of the given number at the time of finding out the answers for MCQ, because in MCQ you have very less time and you have to find out the answer or choose the answer very quickly. Okay, so the first trick for this, if three numbers are given like 12, 15 and 21. So first of all find the difference between first two numbers. So 12 and 51, when you will find the difference is 3. And between 15 and 21, the difference is 6. Okay, now find out the lowest difference. What is the lowest difference here? The lowest difference is 3. So here SCF is equal to 3. So this is the simplest and the easiest way. And if you will try with these two numbers 8 and 20, again find out the difference between these two. The difference is 12. Then 20 and 24, the difference is only 4. So again the lowest difference. What is the lowest difference here? The lowest difference is 4. So here SCF is equal to 4. Okay. Now another trick, that is trick number 3. In trick number 3, again the same number I have taken so that you will know that the answer what you got for the first trick, here you got 3. So the same answer whether you will get here or not. Okay, so that you will confirm that yes, the answer is correct. Again 12, 15 and 21, out of these three numbers, the smallest number you have to take. Take the smallest number. Okay, so smallest number here is 12. Now factorize 12. So when you will factorize 12, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay. Now out of these factors, you have to check the factors which is the largest factor. So here the largest factor is 12. Okay. So when we will take 12, 12 will means 12 number will not divide this number, means it will divide 12 but it will not divide 15 and 21. So we will cancel this one. Okay. Now 6, if you will take 6, again 6 will divide 12 but not 15 and 21. So 6 is also cancelled. Then take 4, 4 will divide 12, not 15, not 21. So 4 is also cancelled. Then next one is 3. So if you will take 3, 3 will divide 12, 15 and 21. So 3 is the right answer. So your SCF is 3. So if you will see this answer, 3 here and SCF 3 here are same. So whether you will solve it with trick number 2 or trick number 3, you will get the same answer. Again in the same way we will solve here. The smallest number here is 8. So find out the factors of 8. So smallest number is equal to 8. Now factors of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4 and 8. So if you will take and start with the highest number, if you will take 8, 8 will divide 8 but not 12 and it will divide 24. So we can't take 8. If we will take 4, 4 will divide 8, it will divide 12 and also divide 24. So 4 is your right answer. So here SCF is equal to. Is it not so easy? अगर आपको मेरा आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी नहीं भूलना, क्योंकि हमारे जितने भी वीडियोस अभी आगे आते जाएंगे सब में मैं आपको डिफरेंट टिप्स और ट्रिक्स बताती जाऊंगी। फिर भी आपको अगर किसी भी चीज में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है व्हेन यू आर वाचिंग द वीडियो, तो आप ईमेल के थ्रू या कमेंट बॉक्स के थ्रू मेरे साथ कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। सो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल as well as hit the bell icon for my new upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.